Hey guys, Noamada here, again you with us in the traders. Today, as every Sunday, Or will present his 3 stocks for the upcoming week. So stay with us so you won't miss it. Bye bye.
So hello guys and welcome back to the traders. My name is Or. As every Sunday, I will bring to your attention 3 stocks that I think can outperform the market and of course can make you some profits in the process. So let's begin. The first one, as you can see, as usual, I have the 2 charts. One is the weekly, one is the daily, and of course all the details around the company in the right hand side. So let's start. This first symbol is CENT, cent. Um, as you can see here on the weekly, we have a few support points at this level. One is here, the second one is here, the third is here, and of course here and here. So this is the 6th time in a row that this level is acting as a support and as a resistance. And if we can continue the trend to the upward in this area, then we can easily go to 32 or 33, which is 10% above the current price. And of course you can make a lot of profits on the way. So this is the first one. The second one is this alert is live. Cent is above $30.02, and you can see it on the daily that this area, as I said, acted as a resistance. So if we can manage to find some volume, then we can surely go to 32 or 33. So cent above $30.02. The second one is MGPI. MGPI also made a nice healthy pullback, and now it's starting to go back up. And of course this one also has some kind of a resistance area at this level, a low floater, a lot of short over here, and there is really possibility to go to 74 or 75. So MGPI is above $70 for a share. So this is the second one, and the third one is AX. Access Financial Saving Institutions also made a few points over here that it really touched these levels and started to bounce and started to move upward. So I really think that this one also can outperform and make you a nice profits to the level of let's say 31. It's approximately 20% above the current price, and we can find and do a lot of nut things in these 3 symbols. So I will repeat myself. The first one is MGPI above $70. The second one is cent above $30.02, and the third one is AX, which is this stock, above 27 and 64 cents. So in all the charts you can find my blue line. My blue line is the alert, and alerts are looking just fantastic. Be aware that all those 3 stocks have earning next week, so you have to be very carefully play these stocks, because if they can go up and they can easily just go down after earnings. So earning calls, it's really some kind of gamble. I will give you the details. The first one, MGPI, will talk about earning on 1st on August before the market open, so be aware of that. Cent have an earning on 31 of July after market close, so you can play until this date. And AX, which is this one, has earning on 30 on July after market close. So just be aware of those dates, and just don't try to gamble on earning, because you never know. So this is my 3 symbols for this week. As usual, I just had a fantastic results. OSTK, Yeti, all those stocks that I mentioned in the weeks before just made at least 10% each, and it's like really nice results for you and for me, of course. And so this is the 3-1 for this week. If you like our videos and our content, please like us, please subscribe to the channel and help us to make it greater. So God be with you, and see you on the flip side. Bye bye.